Hot off the Christmas presses, one Vulcan heavy duty welding cabinet. It's the all-in-one storage model with the drawers down below and the places for the bottles on the back. So today we got to figure out how to get this mess over here into this cabinet, and that's what we're working on, guys. Let's get it. Alright, let's cut this guy open and see what we're working with here. Alright, so it seems to be packaged pretty well. Got these couple of plates up here that are different. Otherwise, it seems like it's got a nice, foam separating everything, kind of like the big thing. So it's pretty straightforward there. Interested to see. Must be the casters and stuff must be in here. So pretty straightforward. Like I said, it's got pretty good packaging. I was kind of concerned because the pallet that it came on was pretty beat up. So anyway, it looks pretty good from that. The door's locked. So we have to find our hardware. So there, handle there. Looks like it's coming with all of our brackets and accessories and stuff. Package in the drawer, got an owner's manual. It's got this top tray with the dividers in it. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm glad to see that this thing is mostly put together already. That's a big help. I was hoping it wasn't going to be some huge process to trying to get it, assembled. So anyway, that's basically it for how it's going to come, what to expect in the box when you get it. And we're going to move on to installing the accessories on it and then get all of our stuff put over to this box. This is our plate that goes underneath that the wheels will attach to, and it's also what the tanks will end up sitting on. Alright, so we got our pieces all lined out here like we need it. We're going to go ahead now and start assembling the cabinet. Alright guys, we got the cabinet together. That was honestly probably the easiest thing to install that I've gotten over the past year anyway, as far as putting it together. Really easy, super convenient. It's got the cable hooks on the front and the back. Got 4 of those. Got your 2 brackets back here for the bottles to sit in. Spin it around front. You got the drawers on this side. I gotta put the shelves in over here. That's the last thing I gotta do there, but pretty nice, man. It's got the rod holders, like your TIG rod holders back here. So all in all, I think this is gonna make us a great cabinet, man. I can't wait to, really use this thing, get everything over here on it. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get the last 2 shelves in and then load the cabinet with all the stuff from over there. All right. Alright guys, so we got everything finished up, all the tools loaded into the box here. We got the 2 tanks on the side, we got our machines up top, got the drawers finished up with a few things. Not really sure if this is how it'll stay laid out, but for right now that's what we got. We got our measuring tools, a few sheet metal type of tools in here too, stuff to mark with. I got a drawer of clamps, probably going to add to that collection at some point. Down here at the bottom we have our hoods in there, and then we have this cabinet over here with a few shelves. We got gloves on the top, some brushes and a bigger clamp, and then some odd and end accessories down at the bottom. Over here we got stuff set up, a little more compartments and what have you. So yeah, it's pretty nice, definitely happy with it. You come around the side, like I said, we got the area on the side of the cabinet for cords, and then we have an area on the back of the cabinet for cords, and then we also have an area for our TIG rod storage. So that's pretty nice. All in all, I'm very happy with it so far. Like I said, I will probably end up changing the layout of different stuff as I go and I see what works better. But for now, we're really happy with it. Shout out to my wife, really appreciate it. It was a Christmas gift, so definitely appreciate that.
Alright guys, I really hope you're enjoying the video. Just want to take a second to invite you over to Yurkit Racing Spread Shop, where you can find all sorts of merchandise. You name it, it's probably in there. So go over, find you something you like, take a picture of it in action, and send it over to us at yurkit_offroad@yahoo.com. I think it'd be a really cool thing if we could include some of these pictures at the end of our videos and share it with the rest of the community. Every order you place on this site is greatly appreciated, and it really goes a long ways to make sure that we're able to continue to bring you the content just like this.
Alright, so if you stuck around this long, we appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, we have a series that I'll put up here where we review and unbox some other tools, made some modifications to different things. So maybe you could slide over and check those out if you would like to. We appreciate you stopping through, guys. God bless.